that is something which was not there. A lot of questions were asked from the minor acts, and there were a lot of case laws as well, which were related to the minor acts. And that is something which is which was very different compared to even until the previous exam. It was very different. So that was again because I had studied the bare act, even of the minor acts, and that helped me, answer those questions. I tried to answer as many questions as possible from the minor acts as well. And otherwise, I would say the pattern didn't change drastically. I would say the pattern was more similar, because otherwise, since I had prepared, my area of strength was the fact that I had prepared all past year papers well. I could understand the kind of questions to expect. For instance, say in international law, you have these questions where you have to arrange the cases in their chronological order, right? Not in international and other subjects, criminal law and other subjects as well. So unless one is aware of the past year papers, it's very difficult to even apprehend such questions.